Hi guys, I know you know about AIs, but what if I told you that 5 free AI tools will save you 10 hours every single week? No fancy talk, just take just 5 tools, and the one thing each of them does better than anything else out there. I'm going to show you exactly what they are best at and how to use them right now. Let's get into it. The first one I'm going to talk about is ChatGPT, and I know you know about ChatGPT, but sometimes we wrongly use them because we don't know what they are best at. So first up, ChatGPT is best for thinking, writing, and figuring things out fast. It can also edit pictures and all that. If you need to write something, plan something, or just think through a problem, this is your go-to. Here is a simple way to start. Open ChatGPT and type, "Help me write a professional email asking my manager for a day off." Watch how fast it responds. And you can ask it to make the tone more formal, more friendly, or shorter just by asking. The real power is how to ask. The more specific you request, the better the results. The second tool we are going to talk about is Canva AI. I know you know Canva AI, right? Yes, Canva AI is best for turning ideas into visual instantly. No design skill required. If you ever needed a flyer, a social media post, or a presentation but didn't know where to start, this is for you. Inside Canva AI, you just have to click Magic Design and type what you need. For example, if you want an Instagram post for a birthday celebration, Canva will generate complete design template in seconds. You just swap it your own text and photos. And you see, this is to take a graphic designer hours. Now it takes you minutes. Yes, so the third tools we are going to talk about is Notion AI. Notion AI is really best for turning messy notes into clear, organized plans. If you are juggling project notes or to-do lists, this keeps everything in order without the manual cleanup. So, for instance, type a few bullet points about your week, then ask Notion AI to turn this into clear action plan. It restructures your messy note into something clear and usable in seconds. The fourth tool we are going to talk about is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs, I know you are not familiar with this, but it's also a good tool, and this ElevenLabs is good in turning written text into natural sounding voiceovers without even recording your own voice. You can even clone your voice. That means if you want the AI to use your own voice to record anything that you send to it to do it, that is cloning your own voice. So you can paste in your script, choose a voice, and it generates audio that sound human, not robotic. Perfect if you are a camera shy, you don't have great recording condition, or just want a fast, consistent voice for every video. The fifth one, that is Remove.bg. This Remove.bg is best for removing photo background instantly with zero editing skills. You got a photo that you need to use, but the background is messy or distracting. Upload it there, and in seconds the background is gone automatically, and is perfect for profile pictures, product photos, or plain graphics for your content. So that's 5 tools: ChatGPT for thinking, Canva AI for designing, Notion AI for organizing, ElevenLabs for voice, and Remove background for clean photos. Each one built to do one thing exceptionally well. If this was useful, subscribe to FutureByte. Every week I break down the AI tools that actually matter. No hype, no plenty talks, just what works. I will see you in the next.